In today's world, people have access to numerous digital services through the use of various devices. If you do the math, a person may easily have more than 15 different accounts. Security experts agree that for a password to be truly secure, it must contain a random combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Remembering such a secure password is not a job meant for us humans. In the past few years, hackers have proven over and over again just how vulnerable our computer systems can be. Major companies like eBay, Dropbox, and LinkedIn have reported cyber attacks that have compromised users' information and passwords. This is why we created Passfort. It's a security device that allows you to generate, store, and use unique and secure passwords for all the services, apps, and devices you use. Passfort is small enough that you can comfortably carry it in your pocket or purse along with your keys. Passfort is easy to set up and simple to use. It can connect to your devices via USB or Bluetooth, and it's recognized automatically on all major platforms. Here's how you use your Passfort. First, access your Passfort by entering your master key, the only password you'll ever have to remember. Then access the login screen of the service you'd like to use on your preferred device. Finally, browse your Passfort for the appropriate account and select it. Passfort will automatically log into your account. Say goodbye to using unsecure passwords and having to remember any of them ever again. Should it fall into the wrong hands, Passfort incorporates several security mechanisms to protect your privacy. It encrypts your data using the same encryption algorithm the US government uses to protect top-secret information. Our free synchronization app also allows you to create and store an encrypted copy of your accounts for easy recovery in case of loss or theft.
Saber's designer pepper spray with keyring offers a fashionable new look to pepper spray. Don't be fooled by the colorful hearts, flowers, and butterflies, as this little canister packs quite the punch. In fact, this product packs the same industry-leading strength used by police departments worldwide, and it's backed by our in-house high-performance liquid chromatography lab in order to ensure maximum strength in every canister. Every pepper spray has an industry-leading 4-year shelf life and contains up to 25 shots or up to 5 times more sprays than other brands, offering a tremendous value. Protect yourself and your loved ones with Saber's designer pepper spray with keyring.